see them.
Oh, come on, Owen. You're gonna make Haha run. That's one big kid running. Jason, I'm sorry to say, but your son is spoiled. He's got Haha carrying him around the field. Yeah, like Jimmy hates us. Like Jimmy hates us, yeah.